Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today for the Three Blind Mice Invitational, we're doing 50s cars. And I chose this 1951 Buick Century police car. As I recently looked at a picture of one of my uncle's old cars, and I'm going to customize and restore it to that original version. So let's have some fun. Oh, before I forget, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Start out by drilling the center of the post out, switching the bit. These newer Matchbox, if you do it right, you get the little ring pop right off. There's one right there. And there's the other one. Makes it so easy to pop apart. I wish they were all like that. Clean up our post. Pay no attention to that little boo-boo on my thumb. Stupid was at play there. Yeah, you're going to notice that I only tap out one of the posts. This was the first one I ever had where I broke the drill bit off in the rear post. Gotta find me one of them screwdrivers with the different tip on the end for these. Yes, I already told them about that. Breaking the bit off in there. This one sunk real fast, so I missed it slides in. I had to grind off the siren and the spotlight. From the picture, my uncle's car didn't have those. Gonna put side mirrors on it, but to be honest, I forgot. Mix up a little JB Weld. tape on the back, fill in that hole where the light was. These are a little heavier to allow for shrinkage. Let it sit overnight. Pile off the heavy. And a little sandpaper after that, taking it up to about 1500, and there you have it. Nicely filled in. Unnoticeable after you paint it. I decided to put on a base coat after the primer of some lighter green metallic. Just so I can get some of that metallic shining through the dark green pearl. See, if you look closely, I've already cut the light beacon out of the top. Use it for another project I have coming up. Cover it up, keep the dust off of it. Here's all of our pieces, detailed, ready to go back on. Pledge the windshield. Here's what we started with. 1951 Buick Century police car by Matchbox. This was given to me by Keith over at Outlaw Speed Shop. Here's what we ended up with. And for those of you who asked, no, I did not have steady hands to do the chrome strips. I took them all off by scraping them with an X-Acto, gently and slowly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And thanks to the Three Blind Mice for this invitational. This is Opa saying goodbye.